Savan here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to walk through event handling in React, and we will cover three topics, which is parenthesis, prevent default, and bind method. So let's directly jump to the code part. So first of all, for understanding prevent default and parenthesis in React, we'll be creating a functional based component here. So let's create a component here. We'll just name it as prevent default.js. Yeah, by just typing RFC, I have created a component here. As you saw, I have just typed RFC and the component was getting created. So here I am using an extension in VS Code, which is ES7 by DSZ Nasdaq. If I spelled it incorrectly, then I'm sorry. But as you can see here, you can just install it and you will be getting access to a lot of functionalities like this, which will make your life easier in React world. So let's create anchor tag here. So we'll be understanding prevent default and parenthesis here in one example only. So first of all, let's create anchor tag here and give some link to it. I'll be giving it afterwards. Anchor tag. So just save it right now and let me copy one link of my YouTube channel. So I have copied my YouTube channel link here, and I'll be pasting it here, and I'll be specifying one on-click method here. So whenever my anchor tag is being clicked on the web page, it will execute this function here. So in normal HTML, we used to write like this, something like let's say my function name will be handle submit here, and then we are mentioning brackets here. It will be in the inverted commas, but in React you cannot do like that. You don't have to use the inverted commas here. Instead of that, use this curly braces. There's one problem still remaining in this only, but I'll walk you through that afterwards. First of all, let's create some errors here. Here we'll be creating a arrow function, and inside of that, let's console log something. Let's say SRP pixels. Good one. Yeah, so we have created a console log and a href tag, and let's refresh it. Sorry, my bad, we didn't load it into the index.js file. And let me comment that out, and let's import that component here. So it should be running now, and let's refresh it. Yeah, and let me open the console here. Let's refresh it once again. So as you can see here, before even clicking the anchor tag, the console log is being done here, which is SRP pixels. So it shouldn't be doing that. It should only execute the specific function on the occurrence of that specific event here. So in our case, it is on click. If you have mentioned like on change, on scroll, or that type of any specific event, then it should execute the specific function on the occurrence of that event only. So in React, it works like you do not have to specify this brackets here. You just have to write the function name as that only. So now let's refresh it and let's check. Whenever I'll click it, the anchor tag, as you can show here, just for a second it console logged that, and then it redirected towards my YouTube channel, which I mentioned in the anchor tag. So what if I want to prevent that behavior from happening? The default behavior of anchor tag is to redirect you to the URL mentioned in the href tag. But what if I want to not do that, and I want to just execute this function on the occurrence of this on click event? So to do that, you have to pass a parameter here, which is event. You will be getting one event here. You can write any name here, event, but in most of the examples you will be seeing it as used as e only. But for your better understanding, we'll use a full event word here, so you can relate it better. And then you have to use the method which is provided by event itself, which is prevent default. Yeah, I guess the spelling is correct. I hope so, it is correct. Let's click it. No, it's not correct, because the p in the prevent default should be small. Keep in mind that. Let's refresh it. Yeah, so as you can see here, now it's not redirecting us towards my YouTube channel. So, and it is only console logging that. So that was all for that prevent default the parenthesis. So what we understood here was, whenever you want to execute a specific function on the occurrence of that specific event, like on click, on change, or on scroll, or anything of that sort, then you do not have to mention this brackets. So that was all for the prevent default and parenthesis. So that was all guys for the parenthesis and prevent default. We'll be walking through the bind method in the next video, as this video was going a bit longer. So we'll be covering that topic in the next video. I do not want to make long videos and bore you. The videos will be short and simple, so you can easily understand all the topics. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you.